Today, we're upgrading from the Sylvania Silver Star Ultra Halogen bulbs to DDM Tuning's newest compact LEDs, the Saber CPX 30-watt LED kit. These LEDs are the same size and shape as a halogen bulb, as we've advanced our technology and have canvas function built in. No more additional wires hanging or decoders needed. These are the ultimate choice for cars limited on space. To install, begin by carefully removing the dust cover. Unhook the headlight retainer spring and twist the previous halogen bulb counterclockwise to remove. Insert the new LED and twist clockwise until it clicks into place. Secure with the retainer spring, plug into power, and place the dust cover back. Repeat the same process with the other headlight. And we're done! In less than 30 minutes, these headlights were upgraded to bright LEDs. No tools were necessary to upgrade. Visit DDM Tuning in-store or online today.